Furthermore, she continued her graduate studies at the Philippine Normal University in Manila, now the National Center for Teacher Education, created by the Republic Act number 74 of the Philippine Commission, in which she completed her 24 units in Master of Arts with specialization in linguistics. Take note of that. In linguistics at the Philippine Normal University in Manila, where I also took my master's degree in language teaching, and I can get a certain applied linguistics. In line with this, she is also a master's degree candidate at Marikina Polytechnic College, where she fulfilled all her academic requirements for a degree in Master of Arts in Teaching with a specialization in math technology, awaiting formal investiture. Her graduation is coming March 2026 at the said college institution. She first shared her service as a teacher at the Pinnacle of Faith Christian Academy in San Juan City, After a year, she began her long years of teaching at Marikina High School.
Kaya na natin sila mag-enjoy.
Teaching technology and lifelong education.
Pero, ano yun? 20,000 per year, di ba? Ano pa rin tayo 20,000 tama? Across the board yun, di ba yan? Baka district yun, makuha. Ako magpasko na ako sa Medjugorje kasi may mga nabigyan. Ha? Kasi mga may nabigyan na eh. Yan ang order ni Marcos.
No one should be left behind as the perfect mantra within basic education program.
Mahaba nga eh. Dapat may limit pa talaga eh.
She also observed